For this particular problem, our indicated operation is to square this quantity. So we're going to rewrite it as 4 minus 6i times 4 minus 6i. And then we can distribute. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times negative 6i is negative 24i. And then distribute our negative 6i. Negative 6i times 4 is negative 24i. And negative 6i times negative 6i is positive 36i squared. Now remember, I squared is negative 1, so this is 36 times negative 1. We also have like terms here. Negative 24 and negative 24 is negative 48i. And be sure to carry down your 16. Now we can multiply this. 36 times negative 1 is negative 36. Carry down the rest of our problem. And then we can combine our like terms of 16 and negative 36 to get a negative 20 minus 48i as our solution.